Makiria ma ciringi milioni 500 iria cirekwirwo gukorwo ihuthiritwo na njira itagiriire ni thirikari ya kaunti ya Nyandarua na bunge ya kaunti iyo kuma mwaka-ini wa kigina wa 2019 na 2020 nicio itumite ma MCA 28 kurio mekinyie wabici-ini cia ruhonge rwa EACC tauni-ini ya Nyeri.
Received allegations to the effect that there is a lot of mismanagement of funds, embezzlement of funds in the county in the financial year 2019-2020.
Oho maafitha thirikari ya Nyandarua makirikana kuriha mamilioni ma mbeca matare na hinya wa gwika guo.
They are acting in positions that they are not supposed to, in which case they are spending public funds in the name of accounting officers, and yet they are not. And the allegation is that to that time at the end of the financial year they had spent over 500 million. Komishoni ya kurwa na ungumania yugite ni yambikite uthuthuria na ni iguthie na mbere nginya mamenye nama kana ni kuri ungumania mutabanie niguo ekwirwo matashukirio makinya ma watho. The moment we are done with the investigations, obviously we'll do what is expected of us by the law. We will be able to make recommendations and appropriate recommendations on the course of action that is to take place. Kuratwika ati MCA 16 athure ni mamukirire ciringi 240 o mundu cia guthondeka wabici ciao guku aruna ao 12 aguthukio makiamukira ciringi 120 o mundu cia guteithiriria muingi kurwa na moruru ma murimu wa COVID-19. Within this week we expect to interview 16 of them. We also have a number of other MCAs who are nominated that received money which they call it is for CSR. The allegation is that they are paying it for CSR to deal with the COVID.
Andu aria elected mathurirwo na kura cia andu 15 mareganire na utongori wa Wahome na makimuimpeach nio metitwo. Ona gutwika utwiria wa uria mamukirire mbeca ici niguo wambikitwo o makinyiririe kuga ati maranyamario ni undu wa mirugamo yao ya kiuteti kumana na ngucanio cia utongoria wa bunge ya kaunti iyo. Ndugikiugo ari ati maimpeachire Wahome nio matari makona ghost staff na nio makoragwo na wabici iria matari na wabici koguo nacio ni makiagirwo moke maugi atiriri ni makoragwo na wabici ni mane staff ni maheirwo mbia icio ona cio cirakirwo ni ciaheanirwo. Rasungu athiete na mbere kuga ati tiga Nyandarua ni mambikite uthuthuria kaunti-ini ingi gitaro-ini gia gatagati ihutanitie na ungumania.
We have a lot of presence in Kirinyaga county, as you may be aware. We have cases in Laikipia, we have cases of course in Nyandarua, both the executive and the county assembly and all that, in fact including bits of Nyeri and also Murang'a. So we have cases all over.
Handu-ini ha Inooro TV de county ya Nyeri, jitagwo Martin Munene.